Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust touchpad sensitivity and gestures on RAZER Blade 15. To do it, go to Settings, then go to Bluetooth and Devices and go to Touchpad. Now you can see the cursor speed. You can adjust it like that, so now the speed is very slow. And when I adjust it to a higher value, now you can see that it's going really fast. So I'm gonna set it to like 4 maybe. Yeah, it's fine. You can then adjust the gestures here. Let's reveal the taps. You can change the sensitivity for the tap. And you can select tap with a single finger to single click, tap with 2 fingers to right click, tap twice and drag to multi-select. So let me show you that. When I click with 1 finger, just tap without clicking actually. You can see it works, but now I've disabled it, so I need to click. Tap with 2 fingers to right click. So you can see I'm right clicking right now. Tap twice and drag to multi-select. That's how it works, as you can see. Press the lower right corner of the touchpad to right click, so it will be like that. Okay. Now I can find scroll and zoom, and I can enable or disable drag with 2 fingers to scroll. I can change the scrolling direction and enable or disable pinch to zoom. Then I can see 3 finger gestures. And I can set a setting here, for example, switch apps and show desktop. And then when I move 3 fingers up, then it's getting me to multitasking view. When I swipe down, it's showing desktop. When I swipe to the right or left, it's switching apps. I have only 1 open, but you can see how it works. Then there is tap, and when I tap with 3 fingers, it opens search, like that. Then let's go to 4 finger gestures, and here you can set also something, so whatever. I'm gonna switch desktops now, but I don't have any, so I can open a new desktop and then I can switch between them, but I didn't open it, so let's actually open it. And now I can switch between this desktop with 4 fingers. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.